Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve sales strategies with Constant Contact, full guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your target audience to tailor your sales strategies effectively. Use Constant Contact's contact management tools to segment your audience based on their preferences and behaviors. Create personalized email campaigns that resonate with different segments of your audience. Utilize the easy-to-use email templates offered by Constant Contact to craft visually appealing emails. Make sure to include clear calls to action that encourage recipients to engage with your business. A/B test various subject lines and content to determine what yields the best open and click-through rates. Analyze the results of your email campaigns with Constant Contact's reporting features. Use this data to refine your sales strategies and improve future campaigns. Incorporate social media sharing options in your emails to expand your reach and increase brand awareness. Explore Constant Contact's integration options with other tools to streamline your sales process. Set up automated email sequences for lead nurturing to convert prospects into loyal customers. Stay consistent with your communication while ensuring you don't overwhelm your audience. Offer special promotions or exclusive deals through your emails to incentivize purchases. Leverage surveys and feedback tools from Constant Contact to gather insights from your customers. Use these insights to enhance your product offerings and adjust your sales strategies accordingly. Monitor industry trends and competitor strategies using the insights gained from your campaigns. Continuously seek training and resources within Constant Contact to stay up to date with new features. Evaluate your overall sales performance regularly to identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you can effectively enhance your sales strategies using Constant Contact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.